This is my AdSense account, and these are the earnings I'm making from it. In this course, I'll show you exactly how I generate these profits. First, we'll start by designing a professional blogger template. After we finish the template, we'll move on to the monetization methods and how to earn just like this. This is a complete course covering both design and profit strategies. If you want to make earnings like these, make sure you watch the course till the end. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any part of the course. Blogger Template Design Course and How to Monetize It. Welcome to this complete course. In this course, we will learn step by step how to design a professional blogger template and make money from it. Let's take a quick look at what you will learn. Lesson 1. Designing the blogger template and creating the top navigation bar. Lesson 2. Logo and header design. Lesson 3. Designing the main menu. Lesson 4. Creating a featured or custom posts section. Lesson 5. Adding blog messages and notifications. Lesson 6. Designing Section 1 and automatically displaying posts from a specific category. Lesson 7. Designing Section 2 and automatically displaying posts from a specific category. Lesson 8. Setting up AdSense ad placements inside the template. Lesson 9. Designing the footer. Lesson 10. Blog SEO and search engine indexing. Lesson 11. Connecting your blog to AdSense. Lesson 12. Activating AdSense, configuring the settings and linking your bank account. And finally, Lesson 13. Different ways to earn money from AdSense. Make sure to follow the course step by step to get the best results. With this template, you get full control directly from the layout panel. You can easily customize, edit, and manage every section without writing a single line of code. Everything is simple and flexible, designed to save you time and effort. You can even add and manage your AdSense ads directly from the layout panel with ease. In this section, we will learn how to connect your blog to AdSense. First, we will go through Google AdSense policies and rules so you understand what is allowed and what you should avoid. Then, I'll show you the correct way to sign up and get approved, following all the official terms and conditions. After that, we'll learn how to add the AdSense code and properly integrate it into your template. Next, we will move to blog SEO on Google search engines. You will learn the requirements and guidelines for proper indexing, so your blog can appear in search results. And finally, I'll explain how search engines crawl your blog and display it on Google. Now, let's talk about the ways to earn money from AdSense. Step 1. Placing AdSense ads correctly on your blog to maximize visibility and clicks. Step 2. Activating your AdSense account and making sure everything is set up properly. Step 3. Making your blog appear in Google search results to get free organic traffic. Step 4. Promoting your blog on social media to bring in more visitors. And finally, Step 5. Turning your traffic into real earnings from your blog. Now, let's take it to the next level. You'll learn how to track your traffic sources, discover where your visitors are coming from, and understand your AdSense reports like a pro. This is where the real growth happens, turning data into higher earnings. Watch your earnings grow consistently, month after month, as you apply the right strategies and understand how to optimize your performance. In this comprehensive course, you'll learn how to design a professional blogger template from scratch, خطوة بخطوة, بطريقة منظمة وسهلة التطبيق. We'll guide you through creating a clean, fast, and user-friendly design that not only looks great, but also meets all AdSense requirements. Then, you'll discover how to properly monetize your template using AdSense, from ad placement strategies to maximizing your click-through rate and overall revenue. By the end of this course, you won't just have a template, you'll have a complete system built to generate income. We all need a reliable source of additional income, while we focus on building our own projects and long-term goals. And that's exactly what we're achieving through this course. Instead of relying on random methods, you'll learn a clear, structured approach to generating consistent earnings using Blogger and AdSense. This course is designed to help you create a real asset, something that works for you in the background while you continue developing your main project. Step by step, you'll understand how to turn simple ideas into a steady income stream, giving you more freedom, more stability, and more confidence in your journey. Do you have any questions? Feel free to leave them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to let us know. We hope you learned something new today, and we'll see you in the next video.